Alright guys, it's me again. We got another car here. We have this 2024 Hyundai Elantra. So after we just finished the oil change on this vehicle, now we have to reset the car now. Reset the oil light reminder. So I'm creating this video. If you're looking for how to reset this oil light reminder on these vehicles on a 2024 Hyundai Elantra, this is pretty easy. I'm gonna show you the quick step and how to do it after you're doing the oil change. Alright, the first thing you do is you can just start the vehicles. Some car you don't have to start the car. So we have this car right here, so it's telling that oil change is due. I just finished doing the oil change, so we're gonna try to reset and show you how to reset it. So this vehicle starter is pretty easy. All you gotta do, you have to go to the to your radio system, and then you got all this information right here. All you gotta do now is press on the setup. See the setup? You press it, it's touch screen, so it's pretty easy. And then you go to vehicles information. It's right there. So click on that one right there. After you click on that one, now it's gonna tell you everything that all the options you have. You could do all the cluster, climate control light, and door, but you have to go down a little bit. Go to convenience right there, and then this is the option you have. So you got a service oil change reminder. So we have to, there it is. You reset it, and then you just, all you gotta do, press yes. That's what he said. 100% is mean the remaining life of your oil is 0. Is mean is overdue your oil change. But I just did it, so we just gotta make it to 100%. What's up? Alright guys, it's me again. We have another car here. We have this 2024 Hyundai Elantra. So we just finished doing the oil change on this car, and then I'm gonna show you how to reset this oil light reminder on your dashboard. So this is what you see when your oil change is due and you need to be replaced, and you just did the oil change. You're gonna have the little reminder right there. It's gonna tell you like engine oil change due now, and reset the oil light after oil change. So I just finished the oil change, so we're gonna reset it. I'm gonna show you how to do this, guys, and you're gonna have all that service reminder also. So these vehicles right here, you could just start the whole car. Not like other car, you have to turn it off to do it, but this one you could just start the car because everything's all digital and fancy. And where you go to your radio system, you go to setup, you press the setup button right there, and you see these vehicles right here. You press that one right there. After you press that one, you're gonna go down. Now when you go to the vehicle setting, you go scroll up. It's touch screen, so it's pretty easy, and then you just press that convenience right there. This is the option you got, and then you gotta go to oil change reminder. When you press that one, it's 0. It means 0 light. It means it's due for the oil change, like that's saying right there. So obviously you just gotta reset that button right there, and you press yes. And then after doing all this good stuff, and then eventually oil light been reset, you get 100% again. So it means you got a fresh oil change done, and then the system's gonna calculate again for you when you're gonna do the oil change. After you go back there, you go to service internal also. I just rotate tires and check all the fluid, all that good stuff, and a filter and cabinet filter. So we could always do this too. You could just reset it also. So boom. After that's it, guys. That's how you do this to 2024 Hyundai Elantra. How to reset the oil light reminder on the dashboard. So if you want to double check to make sure you did reset it, all you gotta do, turn the car up again with a little button right there, and then don't forget to press on the brake before you start the car, because the car will not gonna start without pressing the brake. So you hold the brake and you start it up. There it is. I'm trying to make sure this reminder on the right side is gone. So the only reminder I have right now is the hood's open, because obviously the hood is open, you know what I mean? So that's it, guys. That's how you reset this oil right here. So don't forget, just go in here and go to setup, boom, and then vehicles, and then do it, convenience, and then right there, done deal. And reset. You will find out if there it is. If you want to know, if you want to know when's gonna be your next oil change, all you gotta do, go back to the vehicles right there, and then go back there, and then the light is gonna tell you how many percentage you got left. So if you know, if you forget when you missed it, you can always go back here and check your reminder of light. You know, some people does it like 10%. No, never go above 100%. No, don't go below 0%, because it's not good. All right, guys, thank you. Hopefully this video help you guys doing your DOI or did your oil change yourself and then you want to reset it and don't know what to do, this video might help you and might be related to your stuff you're doing. All right, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow more, and then I'm gonna do more video. And then thank you for watching this video. All right, guys, it's me again. We got another car here. We have this 2024 Hyundai Elantra. So it passed 15K already. So they're recommending to replace the cabinet air filter every 15,000 miles. So I'm gonna show you how to replace this cabinet air filter. It's pretty easy. So everything's gonna be on the right side. So you don't need no special tools to replace the cabinet air filters. Everything's on a black compartment. So the first thing you have to do, you could just turn up the vehicles, make sure the car is off, and then because in the blower, make sure it's off, because if that thing's on and it's trying to take off the cabinet air filter, all the debris is gonna go all over the place. It could get into your blower, to your vent, and then it's not gonna be good. And also for your door, actuator door, you might get stuck there. You could destroy your door. So make sure you turn up your vehicles and turn up the AC, your blower, when you're replacing the cabinet air filter. So I'm gonna show you a quick way to replace this cabinet air filter in a short video I got going on for you guys. Check it out. The first thing you do, you open the glove compartment, and then this one, it has a little thing right here. You could just push it in. Same thing the other side, push it in, and then you pull it. There it is. See that? You just click in from the back. After you do that, you move those glove compartment. Now everything's right there, guys. So I'm gonna turn on the light real quick. Hold on. All right, guys, so this is the after removing the glove compartment right there, so I'm gonna show you how to replace this cabinet air filter right here, man. So it's pretty easy. It's right there. After removing the glove compartment assembly, this is my cabinet air filter right here. Yep. So I'm gonna show you how to replace it. So all you gotta do is press this little clip right here. This one clip holding it down. See, there it is. Coming it up, it's done. Now we can see there's a cabinet air filter right here. It's still original from Hyundai, so you know this cabinet haven't been replaced. It has about 15,000 miles already. It was a good time. Look at this. All that dirt. Look at that. Never been replaced, guys. So that's not good. That's why I always replace it every 15,000 miles. Make sure you put it back the same way. So slide it in like this, push it in, and then this cover right here, put the cover back in there, and click it. Then put this cover, this right here, and all you gotta do is push it in. Alright, guys, this is the 15K cabinet air filter. It's still original from the factory. Look at, see? It's definitely good time. Always replace your cabinet air filter every 15,000 miles. This is what you get. That's what you breathe in to your vent. You don't want that stuff all over your lungs, you know what I mean? See that? Oh, look at that. That's so dirty. Yep, that's the one right here, guys. Make sure you replace it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me more for more video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.